Hey everyone, this is Mei Yu from Fun2draw. Some of you viewers have been asking for a dove, so here we go. It's going to be fun to draw one. First, I'm going to start with a nice big curve for the forehead. And let's slope into a little triangle for the beak, like that. And from this beak, I'm going to draw a nice fluffy cheek. And of course, let's put that big Fun2draw eye low on the face. So there's the rounded triangle. And shade in this part. Okay. It's a good idea to watch this video until the end because I have some links to cool related videos that you might also like too. So I have the little eyebrow. Let's go into the back of the head. The body can be summarized into just a nice curve like that. And let's start with a wing. So I'm going to draw a nice curved line. It's kind of stretched out. And then I'm going to draw the feathers. Just repeat that. Let's draw some more feathers on the inside. With a little bit of the wing on the other side too. And the tail can be kind of simple too. So I'm just going to draw a curved triangle. And let's divide that into the tail feathers. There. Add some cute little feet too. Okay, I'm looking at the body. It kind of looks bare. So I'm just going to draw these little lines just here and there for some extra texture. Okay, we are almost done. Let's draw that olive branch in the mouth. Add these cool leaves in there. Okay, and you're done! To be the first to see my new videos, please subscribe here. And don't forget to leave a like and comment. And here are some other videos you might also like. Thanks for watching everyone, and happy drawing!